What's up, wonderful people? Today we are going to cruise. Come and join us. We're gonna have a lot of activities. We're also going to Bahamas. Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go! That's our ship.
So excited. And as usual, traffic here.
Okay, so we loading on our luggage. Just the four of us.
We are taking pictures now here. So if you are wondering why we are all wearing this blue shirt here, we are actually celebrating David's 70th birthday, and we're gonna do a surprise birthday party for him. He's actually already on the ship. He has no clue that we are also going to the cruise. We are also going with Jesse and Morgan, so it's gonna be a big surprise for him. Let's go! Wow, it's no more raining, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna do the security briefing first. Oh, I see it, C2.
Like this? This way.
Alright, the screening is like what? 2 minutes? We just got here. We're gonna eat first, yes?
Yes.
Oh man, that food is good, especially you're hungry. So then you have the macaroni. Let me see your food. Hand out. Alright. Alright, someone is also very hungry right now.
Very hungry.
Yo, look at that!
Yummy salad with a bunch of random stuff.
We're gonna start slow right now. Let's go.
That little salad, start the cruise off correctly. Try it for the first time.
Well, all Indian, I think. This is beef, the yellow rice. We also have mussels and chicken. So we're all eating now. We just met Jesse and Morgan too. When I try to bet here, I think when we try to surprise David, I think David's gonna be a little bit teary-eyed or even crying. So we're gonna ask around, see who's gonna cry. So I think the plan is we're gonna surprise him 2 times. First one, we're gonna surprise him first in his room, and second time, it's gonna be Jesse and Morgan. So double surprise. I think he's gonna cry. What do you think?
Maybe the first one he'll cry, second one I don't know.
How about you, Zion? What do you think?
Yeah.
Absolutely, he's gonna cry.
Nah, he's not gonna cry. He's not gonna cry.
How about you?
Nah.
How about you, Jesse?
It's 50-50. I'm not sure.
Really?
No, it
You
cannot be
can't
50-50.
say
You
that.
have to pick one.
Maybe.
How about you, Morgan?
Yes, one's here.
One cheer. Okay,
Nah, he
that's
might
it.
cry. He might cry. He
What?
might cry. He might cry. He might cry.
Alright, let's see, guys. So here's the plan. So we're gonna knock the door, right? And then we're gonna be like, surprise, right? And then once we are surprising them, and you both like, can I see the swimming pool? Can I see the swimming pool? Okay, and then I'm gonna bring them to the swimming pool and then we're
We
doing
have to
this.
cover the eye thing.
GoPro's gonna be like room service, right? Okay, let's do this, guys. Let me text mom first. Alright, guys. We're gonna do this now. We're gonna do this. We're gonna surprise them.
This way.
Get your phone ready.
Sir, I'm nervous.
Room service. Room service.
Happy birthday, David. 70th birthday. Yeah, by the way, it's not raining. You wanna go and take photo? It's nice.
Oh no, wait a minute.
Oh, I missed the to record the second surprise.
AI generated. It was AI generated.
I should record while they are showing up, right? I forgot to record. Alright, let's see if David's crying or not. The surprise was successful. Too bad I should have recorded when like JC and Morgan sneaking in.
Yeah.
Forgot to record that part, but it was so cool.
I saw teardrop.
Oh yeah, that's
like
it.
this. Yeah.
I'm still very angry I didn't record that scene. Oh well, now we are going to our room. And we're gonna show you our room. Let's go.
Whoa, it's like grandma's
No. Ooh, this is nice.
Oh, yay!
That's nice.
Wow, nice.
Oh, we can. This
Wait,
is.
wait, wait.
Is it the front of the ship?
Yes, it is.
Woo! Almost get hit.
Oh, we're gonna see a lot of people there. Then. Oh, cool.
It's like
Oh,
ours,
it's
but
the
it's
exact same thing, but
Yeah.
opposite. We have a bed here, sofa, and another sofa. This is the TV.
Wait, yours isn't moving. This isn't fair.
Oh, mine is more in the middle. Ours is more
Alright,
in the middle.
this is mommy.
You can still feel it.
Saya gini mas, ini kan kita sama adik juga. Nah karena saya ini sekeluarga berempat, nah adik saya dikasih di sini. Jadi
Have a lot of
saya sama adik
Indonesians
tukeran.
working. Yes, guys.
I feel like I'm
Wow. I guess the wave is like pretty strong right now. We are really moving right now. Oh man, I think I got seasick. Ah, yeah. Okay guys, time to take a quick break. Hang on.
Kata gerakku dumutas saya pelan-pelan ya.
How about we sleep here for us?
Okay, so maybe it's now.
What was that?
That was a hard wave or a shark hit us.
Is it the wave? We're gonna have dinner at 7:30. I see you guys later, guys. Bye.
Where's everyone else?
Dinner time. Cecilia is not feeling well. Nauseous. But we did have a good rest though. It's just Cecile here, not feeling well. But it's dinner time. I'll show you guys around.
Have the shrimp cocktail.
Look at that, bro.
Eat one. I don't know how to eat it.
You like it? What do you have?
Come on, bro. Macaroni and cheese.
It's good.
Okay. No, thank you. Alright, I'm having soup as the appetizer. I'm eating my steak. Look at that. Cheesecake for dessert. Let's go.
I'm rocking.
Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you. Good morning. Day 2 in the cruise. We're gonna start with breakfast. You got breakfast yet?
Yes, we're waiting.
Omelette.
Omelette.
So when it's buzzer, we can just pick it up.
Alright, so we are eating breakfast now. So we are trying the congee, the egg, and the omelets and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there you go. We have the ball here. Eating the omelet process. Not too much. It's a little bit for lady. Shish. They also have bakery. I want to show you around the bakery. Look at our breakfast. Woohoo! Good morning. Okay, we are going to check out the sports area. Let's go. We also have a ping pong ball there. And what is it? Oh, this is the bonbon car. So we're gonna try to play this later at 3 o'clock. Hopefully we can make it. Playing this and with this great view.
Play some defense. Woohoo! No, play some defense.
Wow, this is interesting. Look. Oh. If you make this one, Indomie. Ah! Well, look at this guy. He's just running around.
Ran away.
He just ran away. This is the swimming pool area here. It's currently closed because it's very windy and very cold.
Outside of the
It's cool. So we're getting the salsa station right here.
I'm not sure what to do. I just put everything.
This is the final product.
Is this mine or yours?
You can eat.
You can eat.
2, 3, go ahead, Zion.
How about get some meat?
Get some meat, okay? Look here. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Pick. Ooh.
Let's go get some ice cream, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yummy.
If you're in Royal Caribbean, I think every activity that we're mostly gonna do is eat, and eat.
Italian food, pizza, pizzeria. And it's also included. Free.
Yeah, it's included. Very nice.
And if you have a beverage pass, you also can get
You guys want some
Starbucks coffee for free, sodas for free, and you also get the mug.
Yeah. Gonna put some cheese over here. More cheese for you, Gabriel. Alright, self-check. Everybody looks good. Look at mommy, look at Zion. Look at Gabriel.
Hi.
We on the second night on the cruise. We are going to the dining for dinner, and every day they have their theme. Today is a very formal theme, so we all look good right now. Let's go. Family pictures.
What is the highlight from yesterday and today?
The food.
The food. So today we are the second day, hari kedua di cruise. Ini lagi dinner, fine dining. Kita ada waiternya. Kebetulan juga asisten waiternya orang Indo, namanya Mbak Ayu dari Bali.
Oh,
So I got my teeth.
Zion got a lobster. Let's go.
This is the tail.
I don't know how to eat.
High school,
This
right?
is the lamb, like with the Indian spices.
I would have had more fun. Like,
And that's on
The
you.
whole concept of New York high schools is so interesting.
Alright guys, I got salmons right here. Gotta eat healthy, bro. Alright, this is my dessert. Interesting.
I made a weird version of that.
Look at you. Alright guys, we're gonna get a family picture here. Let's go. It look cute.
it's the Vanessa cam. I'm the sister trying to record this right now. This is my boyfriend. Okay. Look at them taking the photo by the staircase.
1, 2, and okay.
Ready guys?
Photo
1,
now.
2, 3, smile. One more time. I have a chest here. Good morning everyone. Today's weather is so much better. We have a sunny day. We are currently in Florida right now. The weather is about 69 to 70 something. Whoa! Yo! Look at that! Zion, come!
No! This is so cool!
Zion got scared. It's pretty cool. You want to try this? Rock climbing.
Yeah, you're right, the green one.
That's interesting. Going to the museum, so we are actually going out for the ship now. Time to check out.
Yeah.
Alright, getting out now. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to Florida. Hey guys, right now I feel very shaky. We are about to touch the floor.
In order for us to go to the Kennedy museums, we're gonna go with this super cool bus. Wait a minute. I know you both. I know you both too.
You're from Queens, aren't
I'm from
you?
Queens, yes.
It's got the NASA logo. We call it the NASA meatball.
Welcome guys to Kennedy Space Center.
All right, guys. You're with me now.
Alright, let's do surprising.
We don't need to buy the tickets because we got them already.
At like 6.
Ah.
Time is for a fountain show. I read the sign.
There's a show at 1:30.
Oh, okay, we go to 1:30.
There's one like every hour.
Okay, we got some big rockets. Are those? Wait.
Okay. Why not? You take the map.
Do you know what that rocket right there
I don't
is
know the
called?
specific rocket.
That
I know
one.
the biggest one is the
I'm
Saturn V
actually
rocket.
at the back.
Which one's the Saturn V rocket?
Where are we right now?
Oh, one of them looks like a shark. See?
Walking straight then.
This is gonna be fun.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Feels like we're in a spaceship right now.
Here are the 2 American heroes drawing a line to the stars.
Whoa, what is that, Zion?
Is that an AC?
That's not AC, Zion. Alright, so we are going to the bus tours now.
Dehydrated.
This is the Mars rovers.
Is this a real Mars rover?
Right, I guess this is the bus here. Let's go. One. Come out. So we come in Florida. Once in a while, we do like to see alligator. It's very common here.
This rocket that you'll see standing tall in front of
Random Apollo NASA.
Alright, doing the pre-show here.
When we actually did send men into space, it turned out.
Oh, hi, Mommy and Zion. Si kila makatulun. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
This is the firing line. Launch control for the Apollo mission. Mankind is about to leave his planet behind. 4, 3.
That's amazing, guys. It's so huge. Wow. That's crazy. Where's Gabriel? Gabriel, come. I want to show you around, man. We are actually underneath the Apollo right now, the rocket. Woo. Yes. This is crazy. Yes. This is so cool. To show you the size, it's like this.
Yeah, it's really big.
Right, we kind of not in the middle, like from here to all the way there, man. It's so big.
All right, guys. Wait, what does Apollo mean?
It's a rocket.
Oh, okay, that's an astronaut.
Yeah, show the astronaut sign.
Are you seriously gonna take a picture?
What happened?
For a print,
Nope.
55 for digital.
Take a picture of the astronaut, man. You know, when I was young, I actually want to become an astronaut. This is like one of my
Your
dream come true, even though it's not real.
Do it for William.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it for Dave.
Oh, really?
Okay, look at Zion.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
Like a onesie.
Like a onesie, right? We're going to the moon.
Cool.
Very good.
It's the moon?
Like
Yeah.
rocks.
That's a real rock. That's a real rock collected from the moon.
Yo, first time, man.
I feel like this is illegal.
I guess the highlight is taking pictures in the astronaut outfit. It's very cool.
And touching the moon.
That's super cool. This is the universe.
I know, look at this. I'm packing the universe.
Oh, di sini.
Yeah, get that. Hey, let's go.
Oh yeah!